This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Microsoft Store language. First, locate and open the Microsoft Store application on your computer. You can find it easily by searching in your Start menu or by clicking its icon on your taskbar. Once the store is open, it's a good idea to ensure you are signed in to your Microsoft account. This helps ensure that any language changes you make are properly saved and applied across your personalized settings within the store. Next, to access the settings, look for your profile icon. It's usually a small circle with your picture or initials located in the top right-hand corner of the Microsoft Store window. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says App Settings or simply Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area for the Microsoft Store application. Now that you are in the settings, scroll down until you find the language section. Here, you will see a drop-down menu or a list of available languages. Click on this option and select your desired language from the extensive list provided. For example, you might choose Spanish, French, or German. After making your selection, the Microsoft Store might automatically prompt you to restart the application for the new language settings to be fully applied. To finalize the change, simply close the Microsoft Store application completely and then reopen it. Upon reopening, you should see that all the text, menus, and descriptions are now displayed in your newly selected language. Take a moment to navigate through a few sections to confirm the change. If, for any reason, the language doesn't update, double-check your Windows display language settings, as the store often defaults to your system's primary language.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.